What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today I have an epic warm-up tutorial for you, right? Basically, for those of you who love going to the gym, lifting weights, and even if you don't go to the gym, right? Let's say you got a little setup at home and you're gonna lift some weights. You wanna get a good warm-up in and you wanna do it with skipping, right? I'm gonna share with you one of my all-time favorite ways to kind of warm up. And this should take about 4 to 5 minutes. This is a 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, but we're gonna keep this very short and sweet, all right? Basically, you need to follow this plan, right? I'm gonna put the plan on the screen right now. Basically, it's like a 6-set drill, okay? It's gonna start with 30 reps of double unders. You go straight into press ups, then straight into plyometric squats. That's your 30 reps done. You then take 10 to 15 minute, you don't take a 10 to 15 minute break. You take a 10 to 15 second break, all right? And you get straight into it. Now you can cut the break or the rest time down depending on how good you get at this. And then you go for 25 reps, and then you go for 20 reps, and then 15, 10, 5. You get the drift, right? It's like a kind of reverse pyramid. And then by then, you should be nicely warmed up, good little sweat, and your body's gonna be feeling ready to go and hit your workout really good, right? So for this warm-up, guys, I'm using the new Money Rope Performance Special Edition. Not out yet, but we got a pre-order 20th of August. The second rope that you can introduce into this kind of warm-up is your legacy rope, right? Just to add a little bit more fire and intensity. You don't have to have both ropes, but I would recommend, especially as you get better and better, to then start using a little bit of weighted rope action to again fire up your shoulders, your biceps, forearms, everything else. Finally, guys, before we get in the video, we've got some new merch already dropped, right? The new Fly Culture merch. We're wearing the t-shirt today. Also, we got a really nice, cool new hodl. Go support your boy. When you are on the way to the gym, this is what you need, man. We've got some really nice sections, compartments. You can store all your ropes and gear for your sessions, all right? We're gonna get straight into this, guys. Okay, first set, okay? We're gonna have some stuff on the screen so you remember what we're doing. I'm doing 30 reps, okay? 30 reps of double unders to start this off. Remember, this is your warm-up. And by the way, it's a little caveat. If you're not good with multiple double unders, you can go for a run skip for 30 seconds. And you could just count in your head. So for example, you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You could do 30 reps like that, but I'm gonna do double unders today because I know you guys are bossing it out there already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 30 reps done. Okay, then we go straight into press ups. 30 press ups. Again, doesn't need to be perfect, but just try and keep your body nice and aligned. We can go short press ups. You could do these ones. 1, we could go full extension if you want. Keep your kind of bum up a little bit. Engage that core. 3. 15. 30. Okay, I'm gonna get some music over this, I think, Nathan. Don't want to be watching me struggling my ass off here. 30 plyometric squat jumps, okay? So here, just gonna go down here. 1. 20. 1. Okay, first set done. Now, you try and take 10, 15 seconds rest. Again, if you want to take 30 seconds, it's fine. Even a minute, we're gonna get this done. 4 more sets to go. First set done. Take a break. Big deep breaths. Inhale deep. exhale slowly. Expand those lungs, gonna get you through this. Next set, 25 reps. Quick little information, updates on your doubles. Best way to not expend so much energy, get burnt out with this, stay in the same place, engage your core, big, nice deep breaths. 25, here we go. Okay, press ups. Again, if you want to get more, I guess, intensity out of this, closer grip, engage your triceps, go wider, feel like your elbows are going backwards. One. Okay, 25. With the plyometric squat jumps, feel like you can get your bum as close to the floor as you can. Nice straight back, engage your core, and really explode up. 25, here we go. Lost count there, not gonna lie. All right, second set done. Right, peeps. Don't want to make this a whole full follow along. You've seen the first 2 sets, you get the drift. I'm mega out of breath already, but you come down the pyramid, so eventually it does get to be a little bit lighter. You go to 20 reps, do that set, then 15, then 10, then you're basically done, right? You can use the legacy rope. Again, like I said, stick to speed rope. Really good way to get the blood flowing. Right now, already sweating. My heart rate, this will be interesting to show you actually. Heart rate, 130 BPM. So in the first minute, I've already increased it from resting of about 67, 65 BPM to 130. Nathan, you reckon you get that? See if we can focus on that. Let's come down a bit now. Anyway, I'm not sure. It's high, put it that way. Heart is beating fast. That's a warm up. That's the way you can kind of get ready for the gym session, guys. Very easy. Remember, if you can't do double unders, use the run skip, and make sure your breathing's on point, form's on point, and you're ready to crush that workout. So without further ado, see you in the next video. And remember, if you don't know where to copy gear, hit the links, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, support your boy, help us spread this movement and grow this incredible community that we've got going on. I appreciate you all, as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.